What's going on, guys? It's Decelation. Brian,
What's going on, peeps?
what are we back to today?
Well, since, it's been a couple weeks and all that crap on that shelf hasn't moved itself somewhere else so those shelves can move themselves over to that corner, I guess we're going to have to do it.
He's right. I'm highly disappointed in you, shelves.
Yeah.
You're supposed to do that.
We cleared out a path for you and everything.
Yeah, we even cleared out a path. It gets a little sketchy right here, but we did clear out somewhat of a path, and it didn't do it.
Can't get good help in this.
So, we're back to work. Catch you guys soon. Welcome back, guys. Brian,
What's up?
how we feeling?
Just bordering on sore, tired and sweaty. Well, I'm fully tired and sweaty, but I'm just starting to border on sore. So we're good.
But look at that. This worked out way better than we planned. So there's a slight change in plan because we were going to attach it to just one, but we noticed, well, Brian noticed, thank you. This is not as wide as those ones. So we just kind of front faced it, made it flush in the front. And we decided to do different spacing. Now, down here is the appropriate size for certain car parts. This one is the appropriate size for other car parts. Smaller parts that are lighter that we can lift up there. And random shit.
Not that we don't have any random shit here. It might take us a while to fill that shelf. We don't talk about that side of the garage.
Yeah, we don't have any random
But
shit.
we're talking about this part of the garage because it's the floor's clean and there's empty shelves.
Right.
So we've reduced our 30 by 50 garage to an 8 by 8.
But it's a clean 8x8.
It's a clean 8 by 8.
Oh man. But no, I'm stoked. This came out way better. Sorry, the battery died on us.
As usual.
Yeah. It looks so good. But now, you know what part comes next, right?
Yeah. We're going to move something to somewhere else, to move some other stuff, to move some more stuff, to throw shit away. I think that's what's next. Or break for lunch.
That's a good estimate. Lunch sounds amazing.
Yeah, because somebody, we won't mention her name, is probably hungry.
Lunch break. Welcome back, guys. Brian?
What's going on there, peeps?
So what did we accomplish?
Well, we moved that giant thing from over there since it was too lazy to do it itself. We've reorganized the Don't Smoke Near Me cabinet.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I just noticed. That shelf. What level? Yeah, so just to give you guys an idea of why this is Don't Smoke Near Me. Propane, map gas, propane, other type of torches, white smoke pots. We're not going to talk about what those are. That gets me demonetized. They're fun though. Yeah, so we don't smoke near there. No smoking.
No smoking. What else do we do? Well, we have plans now.
Yeah, we cleared out most of that stuff, which that looks a lot better. Like that, and half those boxes are actually empty right now, so I just need to pull them out of the way. Yeah.
I know we started throwing things away. 2 bags full of trash already.
Yeah.
We're getting there.
There's the other bag. Right there. Yeah, it's coming. Oh, we've come to learn that we don't need the shelving. And there's a lot more. So if you happen to be in the Tampa area and you need shelving, let me know. I'll actually...
And 2 bulb fluorescent fixtures with plug-ins on them.
Oh, yeah.
$10 a piece.
Yeah, we'll give you those.
First come, first serve basis.
$10 a piece. And honestly, I'll give away these shelving. You just got to come pick it up.
You got to come pick it up.
You have to come pick it up because I'm not taking it anywhere. But for my peeps that are in the Tampa area, got a lot of this shelving. These are more shelving. Come pick it up. Yours. It just saves me the hassle of trying to deal with it, so. And it frees up space. Yeah.
So Gary can finally put the parking brake on Scavenger.
Hey, no. Hey. Don't listen to him. No parking brake. Never. Yeah. No. He's right. I even have them painted right down there, the brackets and everything. So yes, he's right. We need to get the parking brake on. Amongst other things.
You know, I'll let you slide on the parking brake until we get everything cleared out, and we can put a lift in, because it'd be way easier to put that in with a lift.
Exactly.
So it's kind of tough to crawl underneath it.
Yeah. Oh, you want to show them the more? So we cleared out space just to fill it with more electrical equipment. This is more stuff that's for sale. That's the back side of the shelf. There's stuff sitting in front of the shelf. There's stuff sitting everywhere that's electrical.
And a power steering pump from a Ford Super Duty truck.
Oh yeah. I'm not sure why I put that there, but it's there. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's lighting. Yeah. I was overexposed. You know how hard it is to overexpose me? But yeah, we figured out where most of the stuff is going to go. And it's just, we got to finish doing it. But we're going to call it a wrap for today because, yeah, my back is about cooked. How's your back feeling, buddy?
Just about there.
Yeah.
It's not hurt enough that I won't be able to move tomorrow. That's the key.
Yeah, well, I work tomorrow, so I need to move. But thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this will be an organized shop soon. But I do appreciate you guys for sticking with this. If you like this type of content, go ahead and hit that like button and comment down below. Let us know. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Peace. Ryan?
Take it easy, peeps.